It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. The $1 Shiba Inu coin is getting closer by the day. Explanation simply provided. Shiba updates. The Shiba Inu price is having a good summer and is making good moves in a market with little liquidity as traders gradually return from summer break. After posting strong statistics in July, the Shiba price is hooking up with gains once again and appears poised to finish August with a gain. As the dollar's strength continued and showed no signs of weakness this week, there are a few things to keep an eye on in the near future. Because traders are picking up just where they left off, some tail risks are becoming inflated again. The $1 Shiba Inu coin is getting closer by the second, as we'll discuss in this video. Explanation simply provided. Upcoming SHIB news. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. On August 15th, we will observe the activities of the Shiba Inu. Monetary tokens. As risk-taking entered the cryptocurrency markets again, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin both gained more than 15% in the last day. In anticipation of the network's merge event in September, the price of Ether, ETH surged after breaking the $2,000 mark on Sunday night. After failing to do so since June, Bitcoin finally broke beyond the $25,000 mark. Prior to a price reversal in the early hours of the European morning, when investors cashed out, Shiba surged by as much as 30% and Doge by 15%. There has been a price reversal for Shiba near the $0.001744 mark in the past, so this is likely resistance. Prices may fall to Saturday's level of $0.001277, where the tokens encountered resistance before, due to selling pressure. Adding Shiba Inu to the Binance Card, a Visa debit card that lets customers earn Bitcoin as cash back, is the most recent advance in the Shiba Inu project. When it comes to altcoins, Ethereum whales still have Shiba among their top holdings. The on-chain tracker whale statistics show that out of the top 5,000 Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu has the fourth largest holding of any altcoin. Following its October 2018 all-time high of $0.00008616 USD, SHIB fell by over 80%. It has gained almost 32% in the past 24 hours, and its current price of $0.00001671 USD reflects that. As many investors returned to the market last week, Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange, said in a fresh notice to traders that Ethereum, ETH was its most active asset. An incredibly little fraction of a penny was the initial price of the Shiba Inu token. The initial plan was for early backers to purchase a large number of SHIB tokens at a low price, with the expectation that their investment would grow into $1 million when the price drops to a penny. Some people became millions thanks to SHIB. The current price is 6 times lower than it was at that time. But those were the days, and now the Shiba Inu ecosystem with its metaverse, DeFi platform, and Shiba Inu crypto school is thriving like a real community. At its current price of $0.0125, SHIB has the potential to double in value before the next bull run even begins. There was earlier word that the burn rate of SHIB had dropped significantly. Additionally, it appeared that the increasing trend of whale accumulation was not enough to propel SHIB to a substantial price increase. But it seems that the burn rate has caved in to the pressure from SHIB investors. In the past day, there has been a 24.2% increase in the SHIB burn rate, resulting in a total of 34.84 million SHIB tokens burned. The uptick in buying activity on the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase may also be associated with retail traders' actions, which would explain the positive improvement on SHIB's end. According to Alexander, a well-known SHIB enthusiast, 96% of all Coinbase activity with SHIB was purchasing behavior. Contrarily, sales only amounted to 4%. But this buying frenzy probably won't shock many people, since SHIB is still one of the most popular cryptocurrencies among retail traders. The reasons already stated have also contributed to the increased population of the neighborhood. Apparently, SHIB whales are no longer the main attraction. If you look at the holdings of the top 200 Ethereum whales as reported by WhaleStats, SHIB is now ranked second. Among these whales, SHIB was valued at $179.34 million, according to the whale data portal. Nevertheless, short-term traders of SHIB should not be too quick to anticipate a more substantial increase in the charts. Due to a decline in volume during the past 3 days, this is the case. The August volume of SHIB was $483.75 million, according to sentiment statistics. The result for the 13th of August was $421.9 million, a decrease of 5.69% from the figures for the 12th of August. Another indicator that interest in SHIB's cryptocurrency might not have surged to fuel a rise is the decline in 24-hour active addresses across the ecosystem. The rising market capitalization, now at $6.96 billion, is here to rely on the money of investors for the green trend to continue. In 2020, a mysterious guy going by the name of Ryoshi began the Shiba Inu project. Furthermore, SHIB's popularity spawned a slew of imitators attempting to cash in on the same trend. Shiba Inu has a dedicated fan base of cryptocurrency investors. There is a lot of community support for SHIB, which is important for any meme effort. The SHIB token's success prompted its listing on other exchanges, one of which being Coinbase. The authors of the Shiba Inu dog breed have publicly admitted in their white paper that their deep affection for the breed inspired them to design the breed. An instance where a project's community can elevate it to new levels is the Shiba Inu meme coin. The future of Shiba Inu may depend on the visibility of notable adoptions and significant collaborations. As a result, a meme coin's value might reach $0.001616 USD at the quarter's end. Regrettably, the price may go below $0.001152 because to the lack of intriguing events, which could exacerbate its lacking momentum. Regardless, the price might end up averaging out to about $0.001368 USD because of the limitations imposed by the current trend of stagnation. With the right backing and interest from investors, the L2 Shibarium in the project might boost fourth quarter optimism. The SHIB price might go up to $0.000208 USD, depending on the results of the referendum. But factors like severe criticism or a bear run can cause the price to fall below $0.001446 USD. We might see a price of $0.001699 USD when we consider both the bullish and bearish targets. If the SHIB price maintains its upward trajectory and has a strong finish to 2022, it will make a favorable legacy. If initiatives such as the DAO, the Shiba Inu game, and the NFTs gain momentum, the price might be able to surpass the $0.00003260 target. As a result of market forces, the price can rise to $0.00024008 USD. If current trends continue, the price of Bitcoin might drop below $0.001796 USD. More and more backing from shops and luxury brands might be the first step toward massive success and a flood of well-off new customers. Influence is increasing in a linear fashion, starting with whales, moving on to retail, and finally investors. But stores' assistance amounts have been going up, so 0.74733. Conversely, the price can fall below 0.00025732 due to the depreciating value of SHIB and the scarcity of supply. Support might be found at 0.00003428, according to both bullish and bearish price forecasts. If the producer's plans pan out, and Shibars establishes itself as a major participant in the anticipated expanding metaverse, the price of SHIB might end up around 0.77848. A price of 0.00075448 USD can be possible for SHIB if the market is influenced by the usual community purchasing and selling requests. A potential downside is that the digital assets value on exchanges could fall if investors are unable to handle the high volume of trades. Then the value could drop to 0.007094 USD because to a lack of confidence, unpredictability, and positive feedback, nothing can halt SHIB's price surge if its upward momentum continues over the next several weeks. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.